Lot number 136 is a 2004 Bluebird All-American 72-passenger school bus. This one's been running for about an hour. Now, the minute I took off my jump box, it shut off. So it may have a bad alternator, it may have bad batteries. It takes more than that to start this. It takes 3 of those and 3 batteries. But this is what's keeping it running. If I disconnect that, it shuts off. Let me show you the motor. Motor sounds good, but it's been stuck on a high idle the whole time. If I hit the brakes, the idle goes back to normal. I'll show you. If I tap on the brakes, the idle goes down and then quickly goes back up to a high idle. Revs up nice, motor sounds good. Let me show you. No smoke as far as I can tell. All the gauges appear to be working. It's got 73,000 miles. And the hour meter is very hard to see, but it's 4224.8. So 4,200 hours. The interior looks dirty and moldy, but it appears to be in good shape. It's got 2 AC units, and they don't do anything. Can't get them to turn on. Maybe electrical, the switches. I don't know. The AC does nothing. But the seats look good. It's got tinted windows. The emergency exits look good. Let me give you a little walk around the bus. The paint looks faded. It's got a scrape on the passenger side right before the rear wheel, and it got minor dents and scratches all around. You know, normal wear and tear. Tires look fair, they all hold air. There's a little dent on the roof on this side. There's the scrape. Minor dents on the corners. There's the driver's side. Looks good. Small dent right here. And that's it. The rest of it looks good. Alright, there you have it. 72-passenger All-American Bluebird. Lot number 136. Good luck.